Hey guys, it's Mike at Our Customs. Today, I figured I would gather up the more than 3 hours of video on the playlist for the LS swap Jeep Grand Wagoneer and bring you guys the, 10-minute LS swap video here. So I'm going to let it play. I put some good music behind it. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. I want to say thanks for watching and stick around. We've got a ton more stuff happening. See ya.
Good thing we need to do this. I mean, look at this bolt. It's not even finger tight. I mean, it wasn't even pulled up to the engine. So I'm gonna spin it here. Got the transmission in the back of Narc's cart. I'm headed to ride, obviously, but got the transmission down here at ANJ. Our buddy Jeremy White, he's done a bunch of stuff for us. all of the covering off the wires back there. Gonna really try and clean that up some, because this is unacceptable. All the wiring here going good. All right guys, got the OBD2 mounted there. Used factory screws on both, and it's nice and out of the way. We ordered, had Logan order adapters from coldhose.com. Time to get the Jeep off to exhaust. So Logan's on his way up to pick it up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it backed up and moved under its own power and get it ready to load on the trailer. That worked so well. Like, so we've got a factory bolt that runs there to hold it down. Doesn't move. Well, moves a little bit. And then I used another factory bolt to hold this down that's down in there. So we are taking the Jeep to Jarrett at Hiwassee Tire and Lube to fill up the air conditioning. So this will be the first big trip we've taken in this Jeep with the LS swap. I've literally driven it down the street. That's all I've driven it. So here we go.
Come on, groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby.
Guys, this thing, the air blows so cold in this. It's awesome. So, all right, we are headed to the house.
Come on. Rolling on the highway, here you go. Wow! Come on, and groove along.
Guys, can you see it? Oh, I'm so excited.
I said, babe, oh honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it, yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you got it.
Oh man, not gonna give it long enough. How many pictures have you taken so far?
I don't know, probably total about 100.
God, that's crazy.
Gotta